What's up, you guys? It's Jason with RPM. Today, it's a great day to be an H2 owner. We've got our mid-pipe deletes for the Kawasaki H2 live on the website. These were a long time coming, but I am so glad that we did some thorough testing. We were able to really dial in these exhausts, and I'm glad with where we landed. I know that we're gonna have a ton of options. Just like any of our other exhausts, we'll probably have more options than anyone else in the industry. These are all 304 stainless mid pipes, and of course, we have the E-valve option for those guys who want to be able to hit a switch and hear that loud exhaust tone from it being wide open. We do have the resonated mid pipe in here. These are about 6 inches long. You definitely knock off the rasp. This is gonna go to the factory header using the factory gasket. We include a new OEM gasket for this side. As you can see, we have stamped flanges. These are not some huge cast, ugly flanges that are machined. These are essentially OEM replicated flanges. It makes mounting the factory hardware super easy and super clean. We are super excited with how these came out. I mean, these look on the car great. Super trick bends to make the E-valve work great. Come out the side of the car. And if you don't want the E-valve option, don't worry. We've got you covered there. We have the standard option, no E-valve. These are mid-pipe deletes, so that side muffler is going to come off the car. You're still going to run your factory rear muffler. These are going to mount in factory locations. We've got the factory O2 bungs here. We've got an additional M18 O2 bung on all of our mid-pipes for all of our exhaust. You're going to get a plug for that if you're not using it. This is the most common sensor size, is an M18. Most common sensor size for data logging, dyno use, tons of different reasons that you'd have that. But the factory O2 bung is there, super clean, super easy. Like I said, 304 stainless, all fully TIG welded. These sound great. The added resonator really knocks off the rasp. We're excited to show you these videos. We've got decibel videos on our website. We've got them on YouTube. We'll have sound clip videos on our website and on YouTube, so you really get a good comparison out in the wild of the cars running, and just you'll really be able to see, you know, what exhaust does what and why. These are our mid-pipe deletes. We offer a 3/4 exhaust that uses our, you know, of course, our famous chambered muffler that we've had on many models of cars. Super quiet, sporty tone there. We'll have, of course, our dual sport muffler, which you see on a lot of other side-by-sides we've built. Of course, on all of our full exhausts, we've got it paired with our stainless mid-throw headers. They're just simply a work of art. The power increase, phenomenal on these cars. So it's really impressive what a good exhaust system can do. So this video is about the mid-pipe deletes. Here are the sound clips, and you can find more information on rpmsidebyside.com.